Hey, it's scary. Lots of new animals and fun. We have some new chickens and some new vegetables growing. The swan takes its cygnets for a ride, and the lambs are enjoying their food and cuddle. And our lost rabbit turns up, and Jim is bringing the cows in. Both Sarahs like to feed the baby animals and hug and pat them. They give the calves some water. And here comes some hay for the other cows. The ankle with Cheesy Bull. Now some new garden plants, and we're going to raise some plants in these beds. Plant the seeds. And time to water. And here's the new seedlings that turn into vegetables. The two Sarahs are bringing the chickens in. We have some hatchlings here. Next up is a mallard duck and 4 cygnets or baby swans and the mother swan. Sarah gives them some food. Next we have some sheep. There's 3 lambs today. The 2 Sarahs spoil the lambs, and then they get a hug as well. Time to feed the rest of the sheep. The goats are arriving along with a black sheep. The 2 Sarahs enjoy looking after the pygmy goat. It's the same size as a normal goat, but just has a lot shorter legs. Time to feed the other goats. And here comes the rabbit hutch and the rabbits. There's a rabbit missing, but I'm sure I'll find it very soon. And here's the missing rabbit. And time to feed them. have a special hedgehog family joining us as well. I'm going to plant some bushes and they're going to live right next to them for protection. Please tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video comes out. Another fun day at the farm with so many animals and different activities. We've got a huge crowd here today. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.